Are you wondering how much Crawlspace repairs cost? If so, continue watching and we're going to give you a real number after we talk about what all affects this cost. Hello, I'm Corey Parks, owner of Hydro Help 911. We know this is one of our most asked questions that our customers have for us, so we thought we'd shoot a video to help out. This is a tough question. The answer is dependent on several factors. The first factor is the size of the crawl space. The larger the area that needs to be repaired, the higher the cost will be. The height of the crawl space is also a significant factor. If the crawl space is difficult to access, repair costs will likely be higher. Another factor to consider is the extent of the damage. Is it just moisture, water, or mold damage, or is there also other structural damage that needs to be addressed? Properly fix crawl space issues and to provide a warranty for the repairs, the average job cost for us, based on previous data, is around $14,271. Now keep in mind that this is just an average and costs may vary depending on the specific circumstances of your crawl space. If you're looking for a more exact number to repair your crawl space, be sure to hire a licensed and insured professional who specializes in crawl spaces, who can assess the situation and provide an accurate estimate. Don't wait, get your crawl space fixed today and enjoy a healthier and safer home environment. It's only going to get more expensive with time.